7 Up. Sup? How you doing? Sup? Alright, this is Check Out Films, and I am actually Joey Cardozi. Excuse me if I call myself that again. Alright, that's Justin. Sup, buddy? So, what are you guys playing?
Medal of Honor, European Assault.
Medal of Honor, European Assault. Great game.
I've always suck.
You don't suck. You just suck worse than me. I wasn't cheating. That's cool. So, what time is it?
It's about 12:23 in the morning.
Oh, it's only 12:23 in the morning. It's not a big deal.
We do this kind of shit late at night.
Yes, we do this kind of crap. It's not a big deal. Who cares? I go to bed at 3:30, by the way, in the morning. Right, so that's cool. That's pretty cool. You guys are enjoying a summer vacation? Huh?
Yeah, my birthday party's in
Oh yes, birthday party coming up. Justin. Yeah.
Justin's
Do you guys want me to bring the hamster in this?
Justin's birthday party's in 2 days.
Yeah, you better start playing.
Oh, oh. Oh, good job. You killed him, Justin. Well, I'm gonna bring Sister in. Alright, we're walking in a dark hallway. No lights are on at all. Really, really hard to see. Alright. Oh my gosh. And there's my hamster. Chester, Bobester. Chester, Bobester. Yeah. Running on his little wheel. I'm gonna bring him in my room right now. Alright. Fishes. Yes, look at that Garami. He looks awesome. Okay, where's my betta? I got a betta in here somewhere. Try to find them for you guys. Where are you? Betta? Ah, there you are. He's in there, but it's really hard to see him, so I won't be able to record him. Lady, my dog. Oh, she's happy. Alright, I still haven't gotten my hamster yet, but I am going to soon. He's still in there. Hey lady. Hey lady. You're becoming an old dog. You're 8.5 years old and you're already getting cataracts. Whatever that's called. Trying to get your eyes. Really hard. My name is Lady. Don't talk to me like this. Why is a human opening my mouth? Okay, this is my first attempt of trying to catch this guy. Okay, let me remind you that it's 12:30 in the morning. Almost 12:30 in the morning, and I'm trying to catch him. So if I make a lot of noise, I get caught. I'm basically busted here. Alright. Come on, buddy, get up. Can't catch you with one hand, it's really hard. In your hole now? In your hole? I got you. Oh, no! No! Yeah, I got you. Don't scare me like that. What's the matter with you? Huh? What's the matter with you? Oh, gosh. Sister, get down there. Look at him. Ain't he a doll? Look. He's my buddy. Oh, I think he seems relaxed right here. Ew. You got big balls, man. Is that a hamster? Alright. Time to put you back. You need to be running. You need to exercise, my friend. Ooh. That's a good picture of you. There you go, buddy. There you go. Alright. Close the cage. See you later, my dog. Good night. Good night, baby. It's cloudy outside today. Oh, that's scary. Scary. Oh my gosh, I hear a noise. What is that noise? It's me farting. That's the noise. What's up, you guys? How's life? Oh, yes. Sounds to be in here. Oh my gosh. I'm recording my secret snack pile. Oh gosh. I'm a fatty, I'm sorry. I'm a fatty. Alright. So. Oh wait. There. Yeah, that's my rock band poster which I showed you guys in my other videos. Well, video actually. This picture took me an hour and a half to finish. And tell me if you guys, tell me, am I a good jar? Am I a good jar? What do you guys think? Tell me. By the way, I'm a fan of Goosebumps. Okay, I want to show you why right now. Book 1, all the way to the last book, which is Monster Blood 5. Alright, let me get this out here. I do also have some. Whoa, that looks pretty cool. Pretty cool, man. I'm gonna prove to you right now. Hey, I wanna play a game. What? Excuse me, I messed up. Let's go. I'm afraid that Jigsaw wants to say something to you. So, let's see what he has.
Don't copy me, alright? Do something else.
He has something to say to y'all.
I want to play a game with your mom.
Looks like he has something else to say, which hopefully will be appropriate for you guys. Let's go see what he has to say. What do you have to say, buddy?